Sandy and Scoop. Robots and Leia having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo.
Leo the truck.
Leo and Scoop are digging a pit for a large foundation.
Careful. I'm going to toss out some rocks.
Robots, move away from the edge.
Excavator Scoop needs to pull all the rocks out of the pit.
Leo?
Look how strong he is. This stone is very big and heavy.
It won't come out. I know, I can do it.
Time for a snack?
Leia, Leo, and Scoop went for lunch to recharge their energy. What are the robots doing? Are they trying to remove the rock? If you push it this way, the rock won't move at all. Do you have something in mind, Red Robot? A lever. That's a great idea. It's still not working. Even the weight of 2 robots is not enough. It's good that everyone's okay. Look, the purple robot has arrived with a bulldozer. He'll try to remove the rock with the bulldozer blade. Almost there. Oh no, the robot is going faster and faster. He's going to crash. Uh-oh. The blade is broken. A piece of metal broke off because of the crash. Have you fixed it? The blue robot wants to attach the broken part with Scotch tape. Do you think it's going to work? Friends are all charged up and are returning to the building site.
That's a great idea, robots. You got a bulldozer.
You guys push, and I'll pull.
Oh.
What happened? You could have just as well used glue. Or sew it back on.
Only refusing the blade will help.
What's it asking? Now I'm confused.
We don't refuse the blade, we fuse it. For that, we need a welding machine.
Here are all the parts. Now it's time to put them all together. Let's start with the cart. It's a blue platform with 2 wheels. A big body.
A tank with special inert gas.
This gas doesn't burn, and like an invisible shield, will protect the place the metal is melting. A hose and a valve to supply the gas. A control panel. Handles to move the welding machine around. A torch. An electrical board with a transformer. Rollers. They're needed to feed the metal wire, which helps to fuse the metal together. The wire can be attached to this holder.
Hold on.
We haven't picked out the wire yet.
This one looks right.
Yes, it's made of metal. The welding machine is all set. Now we can repair the bulldozer blade.
Stop! The welding helmet.
The helmet protects the person welding from sparks, hot metal, and the bright light that comes from welding.
Let's start.
The robot turns on the welding machine. Now a spark appears, which heats up the metal wire. The hot wire melts and connects the metal parts. Look, the broken piece looks like it's being glued back into place. Scoop, look away. It's too bright. You can only look when wearing the welding helmet.
Are you almost done?
Now it's all set, Scoop. The excavator pulls the stone and the bulldozer pushes it. Hooray! Robot, where are you going? It looks like the robot thinks welding can be a lot of fun.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck.
This is Lifty's shop. Lifty has had a very busy day today. Scoop, Leo, and the robots, they are all waiting for a delivery from the shop. Lifty has memorized who gets what. Time to assemble the orders.
This is for Scoop. This is for Leo. This is for the robots.
Orders are all assembled, ready for delivery.
Load, load, heavy load. Heavy for me and
Be careful.
who can lift it up? What are we going to do? It moves things with the fork. It's small yet it's so strong. It flashes light oh so bright and lifts the load with its might.
For the robots,
Up, down, down, quick and swift. Up, down, down.
this is for Scoop.
Up, down, down. So quick and swift. We have a forklift.
Excavator Scoop is surprised. Isn't this your order?
With luggage,
Oh, hey.
Lifty, wait!
How to lift it, lift
And apples
forklift.
for Leo. Phew. Seems like everything is delivered.
Hello, Lifty.
Leo comes down for his order.
Apples? Thanks for the surprise.
But it was your order. Or someone else's?
And the robots have received gears by mistake. Scoop has brought back someone else's package. Lifty is completely confused.
Hi, everyone. It's all clear. Lifty needs a special vehicle for this.
Yes, a delivery van.
Great idea, little trucks. Bring all the parts over. In Leo's body, there's a cabin, chassis, and wheels. First, let's attach the cabin to the chassis. Then we assemble the body. Let's put the wheels on the axles. What beautiful wheels! Greenish! This is the rear door and a foldable ramp. 2 guide rails for the sides of the van. The sliding doors attached to the rails. The rear lights. The headlights. The bumper. And the rear view mirror.
Ready? Load the boxes and let's go play.
Lifty feels something is missing. But the boxes have to be loaded anyway. Oh, an apple fell. The robot driver goes backwards to turn around. Crunch! He didn't notice the apple. Stop! The delivery van almost hit the robot. The mirror's not attached. You can't drive that way.
Let's go look.
Scoop is right. The delivery van must have a mirror. Driving without it is very dangerous. The driver can't see what's happening behind. No mirror behind the bushes. Not under the concrete mixer either. The robot searches for the mirror in the ball pit. Didn't find it. Stop! The driver needs that mirror too. You can't just tear it off and attach it to the other side.
Ah! Found it!
The second mirror is in place.
Now we can all go.
Now we can all play.
And the delivery van sets out on its mission. The first box is in place. The second one too. Now deliveries will be fast and accurate. And the friends have arrived at the amusement park. Time to play. Scoop stands at the goalposts. He must block the ball. Goal!
Huh?
How did you miss the ball, Scoop?
I'm tired. And I'm thirsty.
I'll order a water delivery.
Lefty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo.
Leo, the truck. This is the airport. Leo the truck and his friends are waiting for an airplane, but they've still got some time to play. The robots are playing tag.
Flight number 123 has been delayed.
And what's happening on the airfield? The tanker is filling the plane with fuel.
We're probably going to take off soon.
The robots are tired of waiting. They're drawing funny faces on the icy windows. Don't push, robot. There's enough room for everyone. The blue robot has found a ball. Crash!
Hey,
Oh, I caught it.
Robots, you can't play soccer in the airport.
You nearly smashed the cups.
And you're snitching on your friends.
The robots are so sad. They're getting so bored waiting for the airplane to be ready for takeoff. What should they do? Oh, the purple robot had found a toy car. Are you going to play with it? That's cheered them up.
number 123 has been canceled.
But that's our flight.
And we're not going to fly anywhere.
Strange. The snow has stopped.
Let's check and see.
Good idea, Scoop. The airplane is in position, but it's covered in ice and icicles. Haha, the robot is trying to knock off an icicle with a broom.
No. We'll never be ready to fly like that.
Huh?
Don't get upset. Scoop is waving. He and Leo have thought of something. These are the parts for a new vehicle.
A de-icing machine.
A de-icing machine? How interesting. The chassis. An orange platform. The cabin. The wheels. The brake lights. The headlights. The flashing light. The control panel. The cannon, which will spray the antifreeze. The red robot is sitting down in the driver's seat. And the blue robot is going to control the cannon and spray the plane. The robots are very keen to wash off all the ice and icicles from the plane. But we've forgotten to fill the tank with antifreeze.
Wait! Everyone start looking.
The robots are bringing hot tea. They think that they can pour that into the de-icer. Scoop has decided to pour in lemonade. But Lifty knows what to do. This canister has a special liquid inside. If they spray the plane's wings with it, they won't have any more trouble with ice and icicles.
That's no good.
Oh, fine.
Hooray!
Leo is very happy that Lifty found the antifreeze.
Robots, let's get to work.
The cannon is working. We can start de-icing.
Turn it on.
Look, the ice is clearing from the plane's wing. The robots have done it. Every single one of the icicles is gone.
Flight 123 is ready for takeoff. Passengers proceed to boarding.
The cars are all going up the gangway. The engines have started. The plane has taken off. Have a nice flight, airplane.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo.
Leo, the truck. Leo the truck and excavator Scoop are playing with a ball.
Uh-huh.
Hi there, you two. Are you playing soccer?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
That's nice. And what's Leia doing?
Oh. Huh?
Hello.
Hello.
Huh?
How beautiful.
Leia is decorating the garden in front of her garage, and the robots are playing with their car.
Oh?
The red robot has found a ball. Oh, they've run over the flowers.
Hey, you! Stop!
Calm down. They're only flowers.
Leia has taken away all the toys because the robots weren't playing carefully.
You don't understand. Scoop, it's a Japanese garden. And here, there's going to be a fountain.
It's a very difficult thing to build, actually.
Leia has decided to draw how the fountain will look.
Like that.
Oh. Wow, that's beautiful.
Let's find the parts.
Oh, and I'll dig a hole. Just a little bit more. Oh dear, oh dear.
Scoop has hit a rock. The stone needs to be pulled out, but it's heavy.
Hi there. Can I help?
Help us pull.
The cars all pull together, but they can't shift it. What about if the robots help?
A bit more?
Hooray! They've got the rock out of the soil, and the crane will lift it out of the hole. The robot has put the rock next to the entrance to the garden. And here's Leo. He's brought the parts. Here's the reservoir of the fountain. That's where the water will be. Let's put some lights in to light the water up. A pump. Some pipes for the water to flow through. And that's the base, which we will stack the beautiful stones on. Here they are. The robots are putting some stones round the edge.
Hooray! Let's turn it on.
It's not working.
Oh,
It looks like we forgot the water.
Which vehicle carries water?
The cement mixer? Huh?
mm-mm.
The gas tanker?
Oh. The water tanker.
The water tanker will pump water into the fountain.
Thank you.
Look, the fountain is working. Splashes.
Robot.
Now the cars will be able to have even more fun playing next to Leia's garage. They built a really beautiful fountain.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo.
Leo, the truck. The cars and the robots are playing soccer. What a shot!
I'll save it! Hup! Leo, to you!
Leo isn't concentrating on the game. He's watching a plane.
Leo!
Scoop isn't very happy that Leo is distracted.
Oh,
Scoop wants to keep on playing. But the planes in the sky are so beautiful.
Hi there. Are you playing soccer?
we were.
Hey, you boys. Who's gonna let me on their team?
Who? You?
Yes, me.
But do you know how to play?
We'll see, won't we?
Do you want to be on our team?
But there are already 3 of us.
Leia can play instead of me.
Thank you.
And I'll look at the planes for a while.
The cars carry on playing. Leia has the ball. She passes to Lifty. He shoots. Goal! They're playing really well with Leia on the team.
Whoa!
Meanwhile, Leo the truck is driven to the airport. They're building something here. There's a traffic jam on the runway. The planes can't take off or land.
Goodness me.
They need to build a control tower at once so the planes know when to take off and when to land. Look how many parts Leo has brought. Time to start building. Walls for the ground floor. Blue panels. Yellow cylinders. Red slabs. And this dome is where the air traffic controller sits. The roof. Another part of the dome. the antenna, and the doors. What a beautiful tall tower you've made. Leia has the ball.
Goal!
It looks like the robots are tired of playing. Oh, the blue robot has collapsed from exhaustion. What's that in the sky, robot? It's the planes that Leo was watching. Why are they flying in circles?
Wait. Leo's been gone for ages.
Oh, so he has. Let's go look for him.
Leo has built the air traffic controller tower.
Oh, wow. Can I be the controller?
The controller needs to sit at the top of the control tower.
Oh, I can't get up there.
There's no lift.
You need a platform.
That one's no good.
A square?
No.
A round platform?
Now, that one will do.
It's ready.
Quickly, up we go.
Wow, what a lot of buttons. Leia is ready to start giving some commands.
Red plane. Please leave the runway.
The red plane is taxiing away from the runway.
Purple plane, you're clear for takeoff.
The purple plane has started its engines. It's taking off. The runway is clear.
Orange airplane, prepare for landing.
The orange plane has touched down.
Red plane, take off.
Another plane has landed. And inside is a pink robot.
Hello. Do you like to play soccer?
Well, let's go and play.
That's great! The 4 robots can play against the 4 cars. Now they'll have even more fun.
Oh,
Scoop, was that a goal?